Hey everyone, meteorologist Rich Von Owen for Weather Express with an update heading into the end of the week. So we've got some interesting things to talk about here for Friday and Saturday. Maybe some big thunderstorms headed our way. There's Port Jeff right now. It's been kind of foggy and kind of cloudy with some breaks of sun throughout Thursday. It looks like more activity coming up the coast there off the ocean. There could be some passing showers and maybe a downpour or two across the island throughout the evening, but it's not going to last too long. But I'm more concerned about what's happening now Friday into Saturday. Let me show you why. A lot of hot air across Texas, the Midwestern states, a plume of moisture on the southern jet now beginning to enter across the Ohio Valley. So the Storm Prediction Center for Friday, this is for Friday, has put out now a moderate risk of severe weather across the Ohio Valley. That's parts of Kentucky, Indiana, into Illinois and Missouri. Now that extends to the east in terms of the severe weather, not the big severe weather, but the mid-Atlantic could get some of that south and west of us. But I'm concerned that Saturday, I think they're going to upgrade this a bit and maybe raise the level of risk for us throughout Saturday with a chance of some of these gusty thunderstorms passing through. Let me show you the futurecast now. Most of Friday, midday, morning to midday, early afternoon, it's not much happening. But then the sun comes out a bit, perhaps warms the atmosphere, and right there around 4, 5, 6 p.m. Western Long Island, Western Suffolk into Nassau, there's some red, orange, and yellow. And that could mean some gusty winds, passing thunderstorms, lightning, flooding. Got to watch for that for maybe an hour or two throughout dinner time Friday. And then Friday evening, it should go away briefly. But then it comes back for Saturday. Now, morning's okay, but by about midday afternoon, if you got some outdoor plans, going to the beach, doing stuff, just watch the skies there. Some red, orange, and yellow with a good chance of more passing gusty thunderstorms across our region. So this could be a little bit active here. You got to watch this. Again, the maps showing the green and some of the action on there both Friday and Saturday. It's not raining all the time, but when it does, it could come down in buckets. There could be some lightning and thunder. The dry day without any thunderstorms will be Sunday. It's a west-northwesterly breeze, sunny, and not too bad. Water temps in the 50s, that may help a little bit to knock some of the storms down, a little bit cool there. And speaking of cool, the Climate Center is still insisting that it's below normal for us for the entire East Coast there going into the end of the month, and perhaps above normal on precipitation. So changes back and forth. But again, got to watch out Friday, Saturday with that opportunity for some gusty passing thunderstorms. Lightning, thunder, could be some hail. Just be careful. Sunday's a good dry day, sunny, windy into Monday, and then it gets cool with some showers back into Wednesday, Thursday of next week. So yeah, eyes to the sky here. It's going to be an okay weekend overall, but could be a little gusty at times with storms for Friday and Saturday. Have a great weekend.